Hey, welcome back to Feral Art. How you doing? About a week and a half maybe ago, Brian from Studio 15 Acrylics did this really cool pour utilizing a swipe and sort of a chaos ribbon pour. And I didn't get to watch it when it was first out because I was on my way to North Carolina to the beach retreat, which was fun. More about that later. And then Mina wanted to do one, so she did one. And then she said, why don't we all do one for the Sunday train and do a mini collab? Okay, that's cool. I'll try it. So, today, I have a 24 by 36 level 3 canvas from Michael's Artist Loft. I have painted my sides and edges, taped and pinned the back. And my colors are a custom mix of Amsterdam Titanium White and Amsterdam something or other, purple. I have Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet with a little bit of Blick Metallic Magenta added. I have Chromacryl White, PearlEx Misty Lavender, Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, Golden Cobalt Blue, DecoArt Americana Decor 24 karat gold, and some golden Prussian blue. All of these are leftovers except for the Chromacryl White and the base and the PearlEx. I haven't used PearlEx in a long time. I'm kind of excited about it. So, and my CA is 3 parts Australian Floetrol and 1 part Amsterdam Lamp Black. All right, so let's get down on the canvas and get this thing started. On the back of this very groovy palette knife that Miss Mina gave me.
What is the use? Tell me, there's no more compassion. No. Come and find me.
to start? I need someone to empty this heart. Any direction now would help. Let me give you a piece of advice, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Under bridges and heavy rocks, we keep on dancing. Yes, we've traveled far, seen so many dogs. But now I need to get some rest. Nevertheless, a caress. So let me give you a part of myself, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Yes, everything changes, and so must we. Just stay true to what you believe in. When the nightingale sings, you should spread your wings. Take off and start anew. What if I don't want to? And larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. 'Cause everything changes, and so must we. Just stay true to what you believe in. To what you believe. 'Cause larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. To what you believe in.
It took me like forever to get through to you, Misty Blue. In any kind of weather, I thought of you, Misty Blue. It's hard to know, but no one comes close. An undiscovered landscape filled with hope. You are golden territory, let it show. On the corner of Baker Street, I met you that first time. And I have kept you in my mind since then. Hey, you know it. Oh, nothing compares to us. It's like a constant rush, an undiscovered landscape filled with hope. You are
wet results of my ribbing chaos swipe. I would say it definitely is chaotic. I got some cells. They all went wonky. I don't know. I don't really know what to say about this, so I'm just not going to say too much. I'm just going to show it and let you make up your own inner monologue.
Go to territory, let it show. Let the world know. An undiscovered landscape filled with hope. You are a golden territory, let it show. Let the world know. We may have it all, up the ladder, down the wall, different mysteries, full life mixed with tears. We are happy most of the time, and we get along better than fine. Left and right we braid, through the ups and downs we sway. It's easy either way. When I'm covered in tears, you scare away them fears. Together we know how to be more than our vows. We are happy most of the time, and we get along.
Here are my mostly dried results of my chaos ribbon swipe. It turned out better than I thought it was going to. It dried pretty much true to the wet results. It deepened up a little bit, which is pretty normal, but it really lent itself well to this painting, I believe. Sometimes when they get darker, they just get dark. But this just lent itself to the depth, I feel like, of this painting. Am I 100% pleased with it? No. But I really do like the colors. And I like the differentiation between the wrecked areas and the swiped areas. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I would like for it to have been completely dry so I could take it outside, but given that I just poured it Friday night, it is now about 24 hours later, it just didn't have a chance to dry completely. It is pretty dry, but it's also dark outside, so taking it out really wouldn't help matters any. So anyway, there we go. And thanks for hanging out with me, and thanks for putting up with sometimes what turns out to be quite a journey. So I will see you next time. Have a great one. Bye-bye.